Welcome to the Blue Channel. Today we're going to talk about time. Timing in real estate. Very important. Timing is everything in real estate, including location. But first, the secret is time. T is for today. I, individual. M, mandatory. E, execute. Time is everything in real estate. As we're heading towards a unpredictable events happening in the next 90 days, time is on your side to make the right decisions. It's important to have time on your side because in real estate, timing is everything. You want to buy at the right time. We're heading into 90 days of difficulties. We do not know who will win the race. So, for you to get a head start, you need to start today. Locate the property you want, residential or commercial. Today's the time to put down your top locations. Where do you want to be for residential and for commercial purposes? First step, identify the area you want to be in. Number one, identify the area you want to be in. It's important. And how you're going to do it is by the demographics of the area. Are people moving into the area where you want to buy? Or are they moving out of the area you want to buy? Listen to the local news. Listen to the local station. Read the paper, what's happening in the community. Ask in the area. Walk and talk in the area. Ask the questions. How are your businesses doing in that specific area? How are they doing? Are they improving or are they going backwards? Are stores closed? Are a lot of signs up? Rented space? Out of business? Or do you see a boom of business? Very important. You need to do that. Never before in real estate. This is the time where you can actually have an impact in your life and in your future of real estate. The time is not on your watch. The time is right here. Remember that. We are heading into a difficult time for 50% of the population. Which side are you on? The winning side or the losing side? That's going to make the difference. Again, time is the number one factor we're discussing today in real estate. Remember what I said. T is for today. I is for individual. M is for mandatory. E is to execute. Very important what we're going to be discussing right now. You need to start looking for your properties that you want to be in now, today. Not tomorrow, but today. There's a lot of unknown factors in our societies that will have a drastic impact on the real estate of the future. You will be able to locate properties that are people that are closing their businesses, moving out of the area, and people moving into the area. Now is the time. Never before in our history have we had this unprecedented type of unspeakable things happening in our society. Who will win the presidential coming up? Who will win? Will there be riots? We do not know. But the impact of the real estate is going to be very important. If we have riots after the elections, real estate will either go down or will go up. And when the real estate will go up, it will be in locations that will have the highest impact for the future. And when I'm talking location, we're gonna have to be very political on this. If you're in a Democratic state, most likely your property values will diminish. If you're in a Republican state, the likelihood of your property will increase because you will receive the proper protection. Timing is everything. You need to do your research. You need to go into your local police stations and ask the questions. You need to call up the local politicians and ask the questions. You are the taxpayer and you have the right to call up the mayor or the commissioners in your area and ask the questions. Get the feeling from the present government. It costs you zero. Just a phone call. And if they don't call you or do not respond to you, do you want to be in that area? Listen to what I said. If they do not respond to you, do you want to be in that area? Location is everything. Start today, and you will be able to be happy and enjoy your life and protect your investments. Very important. The time is not on your watch. The time is right here. Remember that. For watching the Blue Channel, today's time was perfect. God bless you. And make sure you do the right thing in the next 90 days. Thank you. Like and subscribe.